Thank you, counsel. At sidebar for a minute. Okay, Mr. O'Brien, on behalf of the defense, do you have any further witnesses?
No further witnesses.
Does the defendant wish to make a statement?
Yes, he does.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the defendant in a case such as this one, to give a statement. This statement is not required to be made under oath and is not subject to cross-examination. We will hear from Mr. Ivery now, and sir, you can stand there at the trial table and speak into the microphone, and we're going to have you give him the mobile mic. Hello.
First off, I would like to apologize to the Winebrenner family and friends. Just something I've been wanting to say since the situation first happened, and my lawyers told me it wasn't appropriate at the time. My condolences goes out to you guys. My family feel the same way. It's coming from my heart. In 2011, I lost a brother, so I know the pain and the hurt that you're going through right now, and I pray that God would touch your hearts to help you get through this tragedy. I know y'all probably hate me, never will forgive me, but I understand that. But from the bottom of my heart, I am sorry. I'd like to apologize to my family that's going through this with me. I know this affected many lives, and I'm sorry. I'd like to say something to the jurors. I'm no saint. As you know, I'm a sole judge. But I'm here today not asking for my freedom. I'm here today asking for my life. Please. Please. And I apologize to the courts. Also, I know, Romeo, y'all got a job to do. I'm not a monster. I admit, I'm the sole judge. Shouldn't. Sorry about this whole thing. This ain't. This ain't me. I think about it every day. I could put my hand. I would. To all the victims, Gotti, Capes, Mr. Russell, another, Jennifer, everybody affected by this, I'm sorry. That's coming from my heart.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the defense's case. Does the state wish to present any rebuttal evidence?
The state has no rebuttal.
All right. Then we're going to make sure that we have all the exhibits that the defense was offering. We'll go over those outside the presence of the jury. But because we're getting late here, rather than go straight into closing arguments, the court's going to go ahead and take the lunch break. And when we come back, then we will go straight through the closing arguments and the instructions, and you will begin your sequestered deliberation at that point, okay? So the sequestration order is not in place yet, all right? So it is 12:35, and so we're going to come back at 1:45, which is in about an hour and 7 minutes or so, and we will begin with the, I'll have some brief instructions, and then we'll begin with the closing arguments, and then the case will be turned over to you. All right? So leave all your notepads. Well, you've been carrying those around. I guess you can leave them on the chair at this point, because you'll just be eating lunch, all right? Remember all the admonitions about the case. And all right? Go ahead. We'll just go over those exhibits real quick here for the defense.
I'm sorry, ma'am?
Your exhibits that you introduced during your case.
Yes, Your Honor. John, what's really going on? Good litigation. A, B, C, D, E, and F, which are various pictures of the drivers. I had highlighted the numbers of the jury case. And here as on J, which are older than roll board number regarding potential Kenan Ivery parole eligibility.
So did I miss a G there?
Oh, that, yeah, I'm sorry.
Are you offering a report? You guys need a minute to talk about that?
1 minute. Yeah.
How long are you all thinking from your application? 45 minutes overall? What bigger they make? Maybe one is retired. Just another minute, we should.
Judge, we would like to introduce Dr. Fabian before the study with Mark's mitigation. The only that we could get to is Dr. Fabian.
All right, well, generally, the court considers those reports to be hearsay, but I'd say he testified extensively to it, and so I'm going to go ahead and allow it. So I will admit all the exhibits offered by the defense.
Judge, that concludes the defense portion.
And you wish to make any motions before I make the formal request?
What we'd like to do, Your Honor, is once again go through Rule 29. We'd also like to reaffirm any motions, objections, or exhibits that we hold. Judge, I would also point out that there are 2 state exhibits in the litigation.
Oh, okay. During the defense portion?
Correct.
Okay.
States exhibits that 1 and then 2 that we received to it. Judge would object to that.
I will rule the objection, they'll be admitted as well. All right, so all the motions that you previously made have been renewed. The court's already previously made my rulings on those issues in writing and verbally here throughout the trial, so those rulings will stand. Okay, so I was thinking 45 minutes as an outside, maybe be a little less. You're thinking more? Okay, well, I mean, I don't like to put, he says he doesn't need it either, but I figured you guys might want a little more. Yeah, right.
There are times with all the time, guys, not anxiously doing that. I just want to make sure that he can stand up there now for 1 minute and then have.
No, the court's view of the rebuttal statement is that it is the lesser of the 2 times, so.
Like I said, I don't anticipate that. I've been hurt before. We're good.
Okay, so that's an outside time,
Yeah.
okay?
And again, you need instructions prior.
Yes. They're not too, horribly long. Okay, can we get Mr. Ivery out of here because they're waiting to get out until he leaves? Oh, okay. Oh, you already talked to her. Okay. You guys got it all worked out.
Yes, yes.
Whatever area you want, that's an extra press rate,
Yes, sir.
That 21 is a code that we got from prisoners. Yeah.
Which you touched on, that you wanted to write a letter to the Winebrenner family, and I said, now's not the right time to do it. Because we didn't know what kind of case it was. Are you confessing in that letter to something that might be See, people have done it before, and it's been taken as a confession. It is a good thing that one human being can do to another, but from a legal standpoint, you know, I think maybe it would have been taken as a confession. And it might have been difficult to argue self-defense, as you said. But now you can't just get it. And John will reinforce it. Yeah, okay. He will see my line. Let me go use the men's room and I'll be right back, John. Okay.